Have you done a safety tour around your home?
Have you done a safety tour around your home?
Do you pass the safety test? Are you doing your very best?
Have you done a safety tour around your home?
Are your medicines out of children's sight and reach?
Are your cleaning products out of sight and reach?
Please check without delay so you can proudly say,
All these things are out of children's sight and reach.
Are all firearms locked up and safely hid?
Are all firearms locked up and safely hid?
please check without delay so you can proudly say,
Firearms are all locked up and safely hid.
Are AC outlets protected and not too full?
Are AC outlets protected and not too full?
with too many things plugged in, well, a fire could begin.
Are AC outlets protected and not too full?
Do your smoke alarms work the way they should?
Does your fire extinguisher work the way it should?
Please check all these things out, that's what safety's all about.
Do these things all work the way that they should?
Are your stairways clutter-free and safe for all?
Are your rugs secure so no one takes a fall?
Check all these things right now, I am sure that you know how.
It's so great that you have answered safety's call.
It's so great that you have answered safety's call.